everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I crochet this Pinterest inspired patchwork cardigan. The colors I'm using are grey, pink and green. Material you'll need 3 colors of yarn, a measuring tape, a crochet hook, pair of scissors. And now the cardigan pattern. For the back you need 20 set of squares and for the front you need 16. For the sleeve you need 24 squares. These squares are basically half double crochet which have 22 chains and 12 rows. You can also customize it according to you. So first step to make square, you're gonna make a slip knot. And then you start your starting chain by doing yarn over and then pull through and continue doing this until you reach the desired chain. I am making 22 chains. You can fast forward if you've understood how to do it. Once you have reached the end, you have to do yarn over and insert the hook into the second chain so that you have 3 loops on the hook and pull through all the 3, and this is your first double half crochet stitch. Yarn over into the next stitch, pull through a loop to have a 3 loops and then pull through the all 3. And then continue doing this until you have reached the end of the chain. The square is ready. It should look like this. In total you need 60 squares, 20 squares of each color. This is the back panel of the cardigan and this is the front. And these are the sleeves of the cardigan. This is the rough draft of how it's gonna look like. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to convey here. These two are gonna attach with this too. It should look like this. And here goes the front part. And this is how it's gonna be look like. And after all this, you have to make front ribbing, bottom ribbing, and cuffs. These are the measurement of the ribbing and cuffs for the reference. This is how ribbing should look like. And here are the cuffs. Make sure it fits your wrist. I'm so sorry I forgot to record the sewing process, but here are the illustrations for your help. This is the sewing process. Take one side loop from each square. Make sure that it is aligned and then pull your needle through both of them. And then continue doing this until you have reached the end of the square. And this is how you connect the cuffs to the sleeves. I hope you get the idea through this.
ASAP, baby. Hurry up, don't be lazy.